Hi everyone, and welcome to our Success and Money People class. It's a brand new class where each week we shine a spotlight on one remarkable individual, diving into their life story, their achievements, and the impact they've made on the world. In this class, we'll uncover powerful lessons we can apply on our path towards success, wealth, and financial freedom. If you'd like to dive deeper into this segment, be sure to check out our new book, Success and Money People, available in our website, successandmoneyfoundation.org/book. Today, I want to talk about someone who's helped millions of families take control of their finances and, more importantly, take control of their lives. Dave Ramsey. He's not just a financial guru, he's a man who went from millionaire to broke and back to millionaire again, all while learning how money really works. Dave Ramsey is a living proof that it's not about how much money you make that matters. It's how much you keep, you manage it, and what you do with it. Dave was born in Tennessee in 1960. By his mid-20s, he was already a real estate millionaire, driving fancy cars, living in a beautiful house, and feeling unstoppable. But he was also drowning in debt. When the bank called in his loans, everything collapsed. He lost it all. The properties, the cars, the pride. Most people would have stayed down, but Dave didn't. He rebuilt his life $1 and one decision at a time. Sometimes the greatest gift in life comes disguised as a loss. What looks like a failure might actually be the moment that forces you to build something better, something lasting. After bankruptcy, Dave had the choice: stay bitter or get better. He started studying financial principles from the Bible, learning that wealth without wisdom always crumbles. He began teaching small classes at his church, helping families avoid the mistakes he had made. Those classes grew into workshops. Those workshops grew into radio shows. And those radio shows became a national movement. When you go through pain, don't waste it. Turn your mess into your message. And that's what Dave did. He used his scars to help others avoid the same wounds. In the 1990s, the Dave Ramsey Show was born, a radio program where people could call in and ask for honest financial advice. Millions of people tuned in to hear real people share real struggles: crushing debt, family stress, hopelessness. Dave's message was simple: you can't borrow your way to prosperity. He spoke with conviction, humor, and compassion, and his phrase, "we're debt-free," became a national anthem for those breaking free from financial bondage. Freedom feels different when you've fought for it. The joy of yelling, "I'm debt-free," isn't just about money. It's about reclaiming your peace of mind. Dave Ramsey wrote several best-selling books: Financial Peace, The Total Money Makeover, and Entre Leadership. His most famous, The Total Money Makeover, has sold over 5 million copies and changed countless lives. Each book is built on the same foundation: common sense, biblical principles, and the belief that anyone can build wealth no matter where they start. Information doesn't change people, transformation does. Dave's books work because they don't just tell you what to do with money. They change how you think about money. One of Dave's greatest contributions is his 7 baby steps, a clear, simple plan to achieve financial freedom. They start small. Save a $1,000 emergency fund, pay off all debt using the snowball method. Build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund and move up to investing, paying off your home, and building wealth for the future. Each step gives people hope, clarity, and a sense of control. You don't have to run to win, just take the next right step. Small, consistent progress beats sudden bursts of effort every time. Dave teaches a few timeless truths: live debt-free, avoid credit cards, save before you spend, and give generously. He believes that managing money isn't just about math, it's about behavior. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. The goal isn't to get rich, it's to get free. True wealth isn't how much you have in the bank. It's having peace in your heart and purpose in your life. Out of his mission, Dave built Ramsey Solutions, a company with over 1,000 employees dedicated to helping people win with money. They create courses, host live events, train financial coaches, and reach millions every week through podcasts, YouTube, and live streams. It's not just a company, but it's a movement. When you turn your passion into your purpose, it stops being work. It becomes your mission. Dave's success came because he focused on serving, not selling. Dave is married to his college sweetheart, Sharon Ramsey. She stood by him through bankruptcy, rebuilding, and all the storms in between. Their marriage became a model of teamwork, faith, and resilience. It's a proof that financial peace starts at home. Money can divide families or unite them. The difference isn't how much you earn, it's how well you communicate, plan, and dream together. Today, Dave Ramsey's legacy is felt around the world. He helped millions of people get out of debt, start saving, and live generously. But beyond those numbers, his true message is about hope. Hope that you can change your life no matter where you start. He often says, if you will live like no one else, later you can live and give like no one else. Your story isn't finished. No matter how deep your financial or personal struggles, you can write a new ending, one filled with peace, purpose, and generosity. In closing thought, Dave Ramsey's life is a proof that failure isn't final. When you align your finances with your faith, discipline, and values, money becomes a tool, not a master. The journey to financial peace starts with one decision: to live differently today so you can live freely tomorrow. And that's all for me. To keep learning from the lives of remarkable people, grab a copy of our new book, Success and Money People. It's filled with lessons to inspire your own journey. Make a difference, make it happen, and remember that every life is precious. Thanks for watching. Now back to you, Tom.